Most sales training conducted for B2B companies over the last 20 years was conducted in 2 to 3 day training events, an expert trainer using workbook exercises and PowerPoint. A modest amount of practice was provided. Sales leaders were made aware of the content, and in some cases, they attended to work with their teams to reinforce the skills when everyone returned to their districts. What did we learn from that? Given the transformational forces in today's market, the kind of sales training described will not get the job done. Companies need a new and different approach. Here are 3 suggestions to consider. First, skill development must not be an event, but a process. Parachuting into a 2-day training session and expecting salespeople to learn and integrate the complex skills required to create value in today's highly competitive markets is unrealistic. No matter how good the program or the trainer, your training should be designed as an ongoing drip-fed process, not an annual event. Second, coaching is not a nice-to-do. It is a must-do. You've heard this story too many times. You conduct a sales training event. The results seem pretty good. Then you go back in 3 months and observe calls, and to your displeasure, you find that most of the skill development has disappeared. Your sales leaders must be responsible and accountable for providing ongoing coaching. This means you need to have a way to inspect what you expect. Third, failure to leverage recent advances in learning technologies is a grievous mistake. The days of the physical classroom being the dominant format for delivering sales training are coming to an end. Today, the training needs to be available anytime, any place. Fortunately, advances in online video-based learning have made that requirement economically and instructionally possible. Several virtual role practice platforms offer sales leaders a way to augment their field-based or virtual sales call coaching with online video coaching. These platforms provide just-in-time learning, AI analysis, bite-sized skill practice, and valuable libraries of best practices that embed potent peer-to-peer learning in your team from star performers.